So that happened. So that just happened. Well, not just literally right now, but it happened. What had happened was, it was a cold, wintry, blustery morning. It's not funny. I mean, at this point, let's just laugh. I mean, let's just laugh. I mean, there's nothing really. You've been following the channel. How many hiccups do we have? Let's not think negative. Let's think positive. Hi, adventurers. This is Jerry from AdventurousJeriLynn. The video you just saw. Well, what had happened was, a young lady swerved in the curve, and well, we just had some snow, and underneath the snow there was ice, and instead of going into the curve, she was going a little fast and then just slid into our parked RV. Yes, the corner that I showed you. So if this is the box where the slide up comes out, she hit this all the way up to here. So she hit that corner of the slide out. I know. What do you do? What do you do when it's almost spring and, you know, we want to get going and RVing and camping, and then you have a hiccup? I tell you what you do. Okay, so this morning I went for my annual mammogram. Okay, got to get the girls checked out. 55 years old. Got to keep up on my doctor appointments. So, okay. So I made the appointment early because where we live at now, our new digs, our new home, our new base camp doesn't really have restaurants. So when I go back home to my old hometown, you know, it's a process. It takes a while to get there. So I'm going there anyway for my annual mammogram. What do? As I was saying, what do you do when you go in town because you're not used to having any of your favorite fast foods? I couldn't decide what I wanted. No judgment. I could probably do a mukbang in this car today, but I'm not. Burger King. I guess there's no more Whopper Wednesday. So, Burger King. But wait, there's more. I have been thinking about chicken, and I couldn't decide. Whopper, chicken. I haven't been around no fast food. So your girl decided to get Yeah. It's a mix of regular and spicy. But wait, there's more. Okay, so you could probably already figure out I'm a stress eater. You know, getting settled into the new digs, you know, getting things situated. And then someone runs into your RV. And I have an RV channel. This is the icing on the cake. This is the cherry on top. This is what you do when you're stressed because, yeah, I don't have an RV. Robert doesn't have an RV. So what do you do when you go home to your hometown? You go to your favorite spot and you get donuts. Look at that. Do I really need donuts? No. Do I really need a 9-piece chicken? No. Do I really need 2 Whoppers? Oh, I gotta feed Robert. I'll figure it out. Anyway, all jokes aside, you know, you gotta laugh. I mean, I can't make this shit up. Excuse my French. I can't make this up. So, send some prayers. Robert's been trying to get in. Oh my gosh, we're trying to get a, what's the word I want to say? Estimates. So people can come out. Because, I don't know if you noticed, there's pieces dangled from her car, our camper, all sprinkled right in front of the RV. So, places are backed up. Everybody trying to get their RV fixed. Because spring's coming, camping, RVing, boondocking. Yeah, even though we're in Indiana, things are backed up. So that's what's going on here at AdventurousJeriLynn. Yeah, just I'm gonna end this on a positive note. Thank you for coming. Hit that like button, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone about AdventurousJeriLynn, and just pray for me and Robert and our family. Because this is not how you handle stress. Popeye's chicken. This is not how you handle stress. Well, it kind of is. But anyways, thank you, family, for coming every single Monday. This is RV Monday here at AdventurousJeriLynn. You take care. We'll see you out on the open road. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I hope they don't total it out. It's a 2003. Dum dum dum.